Hispanic Heritage Month, we here at 3 News want to highlight the change makers in our community from both then and now, those whose contributions continue to inspire. One of several who comes to mind, Dr. Hector P. Garcia.
Yeah, we got the chance to meet with his daughter at the healthcare center here in Corpus Christi that not only bears his name, but also continues his legacy of making basic healthcare available and accessible to those who need it most. When you hear Hector P. Garcia, who comes to mind? The doctor, the activist, pioneer, the veteran? The list goes on. But for Cecilia Garcia Akers,
growing up with him, he was very strict.
It's dad.
Academically, we had to make straight A's and everything, and he limited our social time. And I'm sure he had a fear of things that bad could happen to us also from his advocacy.
Here on Hospital Boulevard is where people come to find healing, strength, faith at the Dr. Hector P. Garcia Memorial Family Health Center.
Not only do they practice the type of medicine my father did, general practice, family practice, but they don't turn anyone away like my father.
Making healthcare accessible, the mission then and now.
To have a state-of-the-art facility here on the west side of Corpus Christi is exactly what my father would have wanted.
This is where folks can come see their PCP or specialists like cardiologists, urologists for orthopedics, or even just to get prescriptions filled. In fact, this summer, they celebrated their 1 millionth prescription. It's been said that hummingbirds symbolize a positive energy, a sign of good luck, even healing. The same could be said about Alma Sanchez.
Well, I know since I was a little girl that I wanted to be a nurse.
She works to connect patients with the helpers, whether that's for a medical concern or if they need a basic community resource.
I love helping people, especially underserved people.
She's been in nursing for almost 30 years. Early on at the old Memorial Hospital, she met someone who would solidify her purpose.
Right out of nursing school, I worked at Memorial, and so I did meet him there, and he's a wonderful person, and a lot of people still talk about him.
So working here, you could call it a full circle moment. And during a month with such cultural significance, it's a reminder to continue to pass the torch.
Well, I grew up here, and my Hispanic heritage is important to me.
It's a good reminder of where we've come, but also to promote ourselves as Hispanics and our contributions to this country.
So this clinic sees about 40,000 people a year and counting. Just one of several stories here at 3 News we will continue to do this Hispanic Heritage Month.
Yeah, good job. Lots of important stories to tell in our community, and we're going to do our best to get those to you.
Absolutely. But